Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, recipes, and more. Today I'm sharing another easy quick bread recipe with you. Pumpkin bread. Pumpkin bread is the quintessential fall bread. This bread is quick and easy and full of flavor and incredibly moist. So let's get started. What makes this bread stand apart is the use of brown butter. Brown butter adds a really deep, nutty, rich aroma and flavor to this bread, and it also makes it incredibly moist. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 1.5 pound loaf pan or any of your favorite loaf pans using baking spray. We're going to start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of baking powder. And then, of course, it wouldn't be pumpkin bread without spices. We're going to add cloves, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. If you prefer, you can also substitute with my pumpkin pie spice. And you're just going to whisk them all together to combine thoroughly so you have a nice, beautiful, even rise and really great flavor throughout. Now we're going to combine the butters and the sugars. I like to use both brown sugar and white granulated sugar because brown sugar offers a deeper, richer molasses flavor. And we'll add in our brown butter. Now you don't have to use brown butter, but again, if you have the option, go for it. It's so amazing. It gives that nice nutty aroma that's synonymous with pumpkin bread and fall. If you've never browned butter before, it's simple. Just put it on the stove and melt it over medium heat and swirl it lightly until it becomes brown in color and has a light nutty aroma. And remove it from heat and allow it to cool. And now we're just going to whisk it all together. And we're going to add our eggs. We're going to beat for 3 minutes until light and fluffy. And now for the star of the show, we're going to integrate our pumpkin. Now you can use canned pumpkin or homemade pumpkin, your preference. And now we're going to add our flour mixture on low until just combined. And now we're going to pour our batter into our greased baking dish. Now you can see here today I'm using an ornate dish. You can also use 2 standard loaf pans. Whatever you do, don't overfill because we want to leave room to compensate for rise. This will also make 8 small giftable loaves. And because I'm using an ornate pan, I'm going to make sure that the crevices are full. Now we're going to put it in the oven on the center rack. Bake 1 hour and 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. You can see below for alternative baking times. Allow your pumpkin bread to cool completely on a baking rack before slicing. I hope you enjoyed this easy pumpkin bread. If you make it, don't forget to share in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to click subscribe and follow along at julieblanner.com. I look forward to seeing you again soon.